is been into designing AI and ML software for drones, space and aerospace industries. We were part of ISRO's Chandrayaan mission. We designed the software for perception and navigation of Pragyan rover. And here in the IDEX challenge, we are designing AI ML software for satellite-based solution for Air Force. This is a very interesting solution because in near real time, Air Force will be able to get updates. So for example, if our satellites are surveying border areas, in near real time we'll know if new infrastructure has come up, if new military equipment has been parked around borders and so forth. So this will be a game changer as from the technology point of view.
We are standing here inside the Ministry of Defence arena, which would not have been possible if IDEX was not there. They are going out and trying to figure out startups on a very nascent level. What the different technologies they're working on, and trying to figure out solutions that are relevant now and also in the next 5 years.
It is quite amazing the change that we have seen in last 10 years with the positive policies from the government. I think IDEX is one prime example of that, where you get grant money to develop a product that is required by Indian defense.
More than supporting the startups for the seed fund, the Spark grant, because the government also has some follow-up procurement orders. So the startups are also assured, they want to, they are raring to go and reach at the stage. So it's a very big motivation, I would say.